Look up at the night sky. For generations, it was the ultimate unknown, reserved for scientists, astronauts, and governments. But now, the stars are being reimagined as the next great luxury destination. Imagine sipping champagne while gazing down at Earth. A new era of space travel is here. The final frontier is getting a 5-star upgrade, and humanity is invited. Today, the conversation has shifted from survival in space to sophisticated comfort. The pioneers of this age are not just engineers, but experienced designers and hoteliers. They're asking, how can zero gravity become an indulgence? What does a Michelin star meal taste like when your plate floats? The goal is no longer just to get to space and back safely. It's to create an experience so exclusive it redefines travel. This taps into our desire for exploration and bespoke experiences. We're witnessing the birth of orbital hospitality. The language is shifting from mission control to concierge service. Private capital, new technology, and timeless human aspiration are fueling this shift. The stars are becoming symbols of extravagance. What was once science fiction is now being prototyped and tested. Companies are designing orbital modules with wood-grain finishes and soft lighting. Spacesuits are becoming fashionable as well as functional. This is the intersection of high technology and high living. We're not just visiting space, we're learning to live there, and we're determined to do it in style. This new era of space luxury isn't led by nations, it's built by visionary individuals. Billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Richard Branson are the architects of our orbital future. Bezos's Blue Origin offers suborbital flights with panoramic views and curated experiences. Elon Musk's SpaceX is making orbital travel possible for private citizens, driving down costs with reusable rockets. SpaceX's Inspiration 4 mission proved non-astronauts can live and work in orbit. As technology improves, longer, more luxurious stays become possible. Musk is building the highway to space, others are designing the resorts. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic offers a stylish, high-octane ride to the edge of space, emphasizing community and lifestyle. Customers become part of an exclusive club, space travel as high-end entertainment. These space barons are more than industrialists, they're shaping humanity's next chapter. Their competition is about creating the most compelling human experience. They're selling a dream weightlessness, seeing Earth from above, joining a select group who've touched the void. Their ambitions are fueling a revolution in access to space. The foundation for a new market in cosmic luxury is being laid. The race is on not just for technical superiority, but for the ultimate experience. The dream of space is becoming a reality for those who can afford it. What does a luxury hotel room look like when up and down don't exist? That's the challenge for orbital habitat designers. Companies like Axiom Space are building the first commercial space stations, with interiors by Philippe Starck that feel more like boutique hotels than labs. Expect padded walls, large windows for earth-gazing, and dynamic lighting that simulates day and night. Smart cabins will adapt to your biometrics and preferences, adjusting temperature, lighting, and sound for optimal comfort. Spacesuits will be lightweight, custom-fitted, and packed with health monitoring tech. Dining is being reimagined. Forget nutrient paste. Think gourmet meals, fresh hydroponic produce, and culinary events with a view. Entertainment and connectivity are premium, with high-speed video calls and immersive VR experiences. Tour Mars virtually or identify constellations outside your window. Every detail is designed to transform a stay in orbit from endurance to enrichment. The zero-G penthouse is ready for its first guests. Luxury in space is about comfort, experience, and wonder. The future of hospitality is out of this world. Right now, a trip to space is the most exclusive ticket on or off the planet. Suborbital flights cost hundreds of thousands. Orbital missions, tens of millions. The first space tourists are billionaires and celebrities. This exclusivity is part of the appeal, a status symbol like no other. It echoes the early days of commercial aviation, when flying was a luxury for the elite. But as technology improved, air travel became accessible to many. The same will happen with space travel. Reusable rockets are the game changer, driving down costs with every flight. Today's multi-million-dollar ticket could become tomorrow's once-in-a-lifetime splurge. The path to broader access will be gradual, following the pattern of other high-end tech. First, the super-rich, then the merely wealthy, eventually the upper-middle class. The velvet rope won't disappear overnight, but each launch lowers it a little more. With every innovation, more people will step across the threshold. The cosmos is becoming a destination for more than just the ultra-wealthy. the dream of space is inching closer to reality for all. The greatest luxury of space travel isn't the food or the cabins, it's the overview effect. Seeing Earth from space triggers a profound shift in perspective, a sense of unity and awe. It's a wellness retreat for the mind and soul, offering a reset from the noise of daily life. Space tourism companies design their experiences to maximize this effect. Massive windows are portals to a new consciousness. The sensation of weightlessness is liberating, offering freedom and playfulness unlike anything on Earth. Space opens new possibilities for meditation, mindfulness, and well-being. The wonder of 16 sunrises a day, the spectacle of weather patterns. These enrich the spirit. Luxury in space is about emotional and spiritual transformation. The ultimate souvenir isn't a t-shirt, it's a new perspective on life. Space offers experiences money can't buy, until now. The true value is in the transformation. The journey changes you forever. Creating luxury in orbit means solving unique zero-G challenges. Everyday tasks, showers, toilets, sleep, require ingenious solutions. Space showers use suction and airflow. Toilets are fan-driven and evolving for comfort. Sleeping pods offer darkness, quiet, and security. Maintaining health means advanced exercise equipment and VR trainers with a view. Interior design is crucial. Warm lighting, natural textures, and social spaces make it feel like home. Overcoming these challenges turns space from a place to visit into a place to truly live. The future of comfort in space is being engineered now. Low Earth orbit is just the beginning. Next comes the moon. Imagine a luxury lunar retreat on a crater's rim, with Earth rising in the sky. Guests could explore the lunar surface, leap in low gravity, and dine on greenhouse-grown meals. This is the next frontier of exclusive travel. Beyond the moon lies Mars. Elon Musk's Starship aims to make humanity multiplanetary. The first Martian trips will be for explorers, but luxury tourism will follow. Interplanetary journeys will be the new grand voyages with starships as self-sustaining worlds. On Mars, visitors might stay in biodomes and explore alien landscapes, the vision-elegant outposts across the solar system. The future of luxury travel is truly cosmic. Today, space travel is exclusive, but the dream is for everyone. The same technologies enabling luxury will eventually lower costs for all. Think of computers, once rare and expensive, now everywhere. The high-end market funds innovation that benefits future generations. In the meantime, millions can experience space virtually, through VR, simulators, and themed resorts. Education will inspire the next generation of space pioneers. The goal? A future where space isn't just for the wealthy. The overview effect should be for all, not just a select few. The true success of the space age will be measured by how many can share in the journey. We stand at the dawn of a new era where space is open to private citizens seeking adventure and luxury. High technology and hospitality are merging to create a new human experience. The journey from Sputnik to orbital hotels is underway. The challenges are immense, but the momentum is real. The question is no longer if we'll live in space, but how we'll make it meaningful and beautiful. This age is global, commercial, and invites everyone to participate. The dreams being built in orbit reflect our deepest aspirations. Next time you look up, see the sky as a place of possibility. The final frontier is open for business, reimagined with comfort and elegance. The future of extravagance is written in the stars, waiting for us to arrive.